had a bite here. Might have been from a snook, I don't know. Oh man, it's a good bite. I think it might have been, I don't know. It could have been from a gar too. There are a bunch of gar here, but the way it hit it, I don't know. There's like a whole bunch of gar right here. Does not seem like it. Sucks. Oh. Is that a... I don't know if that was a bite, man. I wasn't looking. Pretty hard up here. Such a shame, man. Like a good bite. These gar, man. There's so many of them right here. I don't know. Starting to think it probably was a gar just because of how many there are. They're all over the place here. That, I don't know. That might have been a gar. Something's got snapped right there. It's a little tricky right here, I'm not gonna lie. It's quite tricky. Yeah, like that. All these branches. So many branches here. That is a monster snook. That is a giant snook. That just ate it. I don't even think he knows that he's hooked. Oh, God. That is a very big snook. That is not what I expected. And he's stuck. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get him out. I don't even know if he's still there. I don't even know if he's still on. I got 10-pound test on this thing. I don't even know if he's still there. I really don't. He's stuck on something. But I don't even know if he's still on the line. Oh my God, I think I got him out for a second. Yep, there he is. Big snook. Oh my God. don't even think he knows he's hooked still. What is going on? I'm trying to keep his head up. I got him now and everything. Just keeps under. That's a big fish. The only issue is it's in the freaking current. Look at it. Wow. Come here, fish. Kind of skinny. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I mean, that works. Yeah, that is a big snook. That's the biggest snook I've ever caught in this spot. Wow. Look at that fish. Back in this freshwater spot. Alright, I'm going to get some pics of him and let him go. It's going to be difficult here though. Okay, got my pictures. That's a nice snook back here. Look at the size of that. But this is probably one of the worst areas to try and release it. Oh. This is, look at the size of that fish though. I did not expect this one to bite. That is big, gorgeous snook. Say he's upper slot for sure. He's skinny. I'm surprised I got him out of there. I want to turn it around. This is, yeah, got shoulders on that fish. That should be okay. She's swimming. Good thing about this area, it has all the flowing water, so should recover pretty quickly. Oh. Just hooked another snook here. Obviously it's not as big as the one I just got, but he's fighting hard. Oh yeah. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, definitely not as big as the one I just got, but that's a gorgeous fish. Look at the color on that one. That's what these back tannic water areas do. Make them look real cool. Oh, at the freshwater spill, I think I just got a crappie. Oh yeah, that's a big crappie. That is a slab crappie. Oh my god. Oh, he's crazy. That is a freaking giant crappie. Holy crap, look at the size of that guy. I caught one here before. It looks nearly identical to it. Oh man, he inhaled this jig too. Jig that's made for him. Yeah. It's a nice black crappie. Swallowed good. That's the only. Wow. That is a nice crappie, dude. Gotta get a picture of him. Yep. I don't know how well you can see him in the dark out, but yeah. Nice black crappie at the freshwater spillway. Oh, I just hooked something decent here. I don't know what this is, but it's nice. I don't know if it's bass or crappie, tilapia. Oh, it's a bass. It's a nice bass. Oh no. Light tackle, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this guy up. He's kind of on the bigger side. Yeah. Try. I don't know if I'm going to though. Oh, we got him. Oh yeah. That's a nice bass. Oh yeah. Look at him. Woohoo! Look at that on the little crappie jig. That is a solid fish. Oh yeah. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna get a couple pictures of him and then let him go. Yeah, that is a nice fish. That is very healthy, good looking bass. Good fight on the light tackle as well. Head dive. Yeah, there he goes. Alright. Trying to get this peacock here to bite. Ooh. Oh, he's angry. He's an angry little peacock bass. Oh, swiped at it. Didn't go for it. Oh. This fish. Oh. Oh my God, this fish. What did they do? Gorgeous peacock bass. Oh yeah. Not happy. I think that's a female. Looks like a female. Ooh, look at the colors on you. Oh yeah. That is a gorgeous fish. Wow. Look at the colors on that one. Gorgeous fish. Alright, got a picture. Gorgeous peacock. Look at that. Gorgeous fish. Put her back. Back she goes. I just hooked a nice snook here at friggin' freshwater spillway. And freshwater drainage. This is pure freshwater. Oh, that's a nice snook. Oh my God, that's a big snook. 10-pound test. I thought it was a big bass at first. This canal does connect to the spillways at the brackish canals, but it is separated by the spillway over there. So either someone let this fish go up here or it swam up when it flooded. That's a nice snook. Oh my God, that might be a slot fish. Look at him. Whoa, he's fat too. He's been eating good. Oh God. Oh, this area sucks. You just go right down like I just did. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, that is a fat freshwater snook. Oh yeah, got him right up at the drainage. That's the first snook I've ever caught over here. Like I said, either someone let this guy go up here or he swam up when the spillway floods. Because this is a good distance away from where the brackish spillway is. Look at that. That's a slot fish. All right, I'm gonna get a couple pictures of this guy and then let him go. Okay. All right, I got my pictures. Oh, this spot sucks. It's just a straight drop into the water. There's really no way around it, unfortunately. Okay. Oh, there is an alligator that does hang out over here too. I'm gonna give this fish, yeah, look at that. Nice freshwater snook with the drainage pipes. First one I've ever caught here. It's a slot too. Fat, or at least close to a slot. I think he's a slot. I didn't measure him. Just trying to get him to go. Oh boy. Just something nice here. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a snook or a tarpon. He's big, whatever he is. It might be a snook. I don't know. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it's a nice snook, I think. I don't think he's a tarpon. He hasn't really jumped. That's a big snook. That's a big snook. That's a nice snook. I think. I can't. Yeah, I can see the shoulders. Oh my God, that's a big snook. That's a big fish. Oh. I have to be careful. I don't have very strong leader on here. Oh. Yeah, that's a nice fish. I'm pretty sure it's a snook. Yeah. God, this current here. I can't really even. Oh. And he's not done yet. That's a nice fish. Oh, he's kind of skinny though. Nice fish, just kind of all the way down. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's the. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That's the biggest one I've caught in this spot. Oh. The DOA Terrorize. Woo! That is a big snook. I didn't bring any of my lights. Look at that fish. That's like, oh yeah. Look at that. That fish was hungry. Oh my God. Alright, well, usually do with these big fish, kind of get some pictures and then let her go. See, there's this little eel here right on the shore. There's some little catfish too, look at that. Look like little hardhead catfish. There's this little eel here. I haven't seen him swim around. Look at him. Going right up to the bank. Seen some other ones swimming around, but this is the first one that I've seen come up right up to the bank. He's pretty cool. Pretty much on the shore. Oh yeah, there's another one right there. There's a bigger one. Into the grass. Look at him. These little catfish. This eel. Some cool stuff out here at night. Look at this guy. He's hiding in the grass. Mr. Eel. It's pretty cool. I think I just hooked another snook. Well, maybe not. It might be a bass. I don't know what this is. I think it's nice bass? I think so. Yeah. Oh no, it's a snook. I can't tell anymore. I don't know why I can't tell. I guess he just wasn't really fighting like a snook, but yeah, jeez, he's fat. Little guy, but he's eating well, that's for sure. Look at that. Came right out. Yeah. Fat little guy. Eating good over here. Back he goes. Alright. Looks something decent here. Oh, it's a snook. It's a decent snook. He ate the freaking crappie jig. It's actually a decent fish on the crappie jig. Woo! I thought he was going to be a tarpon. There's a couple tarpon around. I'm just trying to make sure he's hooked good. He's not too shabby. This guy's a bit big for eating a crappie jig. Good fight though. 10-pound line. Boy. It's not bad. Yeah, that's not a bad size snook for the crappie jig. Oh, I thought he was going to be a little bit bigger. Whew. Little jump, little jump. Keep going over things. Come up, fish. Oh, well, there he goes. Easy release. I got a good fight out of him. Okay, so I just had a okay snook here. A lot of these fish are hitting it weird today, man. Mostly the tarpon, although they usually hit it weird, so that's not really anything new. Caught a small one off camera, finally. These tarpon are giving me a hard time today. A very, very hard time today. They are definitely more than willing to make things hard for me today. Kind of hard to get this up underneath here. It's very light. Nice snook. Hit the crappie jig. He's actually like sometimes it's hard to tell their size on this one because it's lighter tackle. Whew. Must be fat or something. He's fighting hard. He might be close to a slot. Fortunately, I don't have a whole lot of here to end it better. If they stay on. Yeah, we got him. Oh God, look at that. That's that crappie jig all the way down there. He freaking inhaled that thing. Yeah, good fight on the lighter setup. Unfortunately, he's kind of hooked in a rough spot. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Not a bad fish for the crappie jig. Good fight. I'm happy with that. Back he goes. Big splash. Just had the tarpon right here. Did it twice. Still over here. Well, it could be a different one, I don't know. All I know is that there is at least a tarpon here. Fortunately, he doesn't seem like he wants to go for it. That was not a good cast. The swivel I got on here is throwing me off, and not the swivel, the split shot is throwing me off a little bit. Tarpon are around, they're just, jeez, they're just more often than not pain to hook. And I have this stuff downgraded. Oh, that was one, man. I'm not feeling them bite sometimes. Like, I saw that one come up and take it, but I did not feel anything from it. I didn't feel that at all. It's crazy. Just come up and just take it. Without me feeling the bite at all. It's interesting for sure. I don't know if it's because of the split shot that I have on here. I don't think so. There it is. Felt that one. Oh my God. This is what I'm talking about. I didn't even feel that one. Flip. Flip. Yay. Had to flip them. Fish are going crazy. Jesus. These fish are. Oh. Right. Yep. Does not like the grip. That's too bad. That is too bad, I say. Mr. Tarpon. Oh, that's a Biggest one I've landed today. Get a quick picture of him, and yeah, he's bleeding a bit. Just a quick picture. I'm gonna throw him right back. My phone wants to cooperate, which it usually does not. Yeah, fat little guy. Get him back. Hooked a nice snook. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Thought I felt him go across some stuff, so I don't know. Hopefully he didn't fray the line. Woo. He's going. Jesus. I'm trying to swim back up there. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a good size one. Oh. Got a 10-pound line on here, so I'm just kind of trying to take it slowly. Oh no, oh no. Man, he's just still going, jeez. It's like a slot. I'd say it's a slot fish, for sure. He just fights so hard on here, so it's... Swim into the maybe he's not a slot. It just fights so hard on this one because it's lighter line. Oh, I don't have much room. Shoot. Might be a slot. Nice fish, for sure. Oh, it's got quite a few of them. Yeah, I'd say he's probably a slot. I'm not gonna measure him. Well, I don't know. He's close. He was hungry. Look at that. Hungry fish. All right. Picture you. Of course, my shadow is in the way. Okay. Whoa. Came out pretty easily. Yeah. I mean, if he's not a slot, he's certainly close. I'm not going to measure him, but I don't know. He might be a little bit short. He's definitely close, though. Definitely close. Oh. This thing was falling and something came up and hit. It feels like a snook, and it feels freaking big. If this is a snook, that's a nice fish. I haven't even seen it yet. If this is a snook, that's a big snook, if that's a snook. Yeah, it's a snook. Oh yeah, he's nice too. Oh, wow. Oh yeah. Oh. It's a hefty one. This isn't really the side I wanted to. Woo! This 10-pound line is just, I mean, now that I'm looking at him, he doesn't seem that big. Go to the other side. They're already on the other side. Yeah, he's pretty nice. Oh yeah, he's fat. Oh yeah, he's solid. That's a nice fish. Well, he fought so hard, he's freaking fat. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, the way they fight on this thing, I always think they're going to be so much bigger than they are. Yeah. Time to do this again, because I don't have my net. Yeah. Oh, a nice fish. Oh my god. Absolutely inhaled it. Just like the other one. You can actually see he ate it, and you can see what he's eating. These little, he's got my shrimp down there. Whatever that is, a little cichlid, maybe not. It's still alive. Whatever's in his mouth is still alive. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna get a quick picture of him. Get him back. Got some solid ones today, that's for sure. I'll get a picture of that in his mouth. That's cool, man. He got hooked kinda not exactly where I want him to be hooked. I mean, he swallowed it, so. Ooh, look at that, came right out. Yeah. Yeah, that's a fat fish. Gorgeous. Eating well. Splashed myself doing that. Oh. Snook. There he is. Oh yeah. It's a healthy one. Oh yeah. This fish has been eating pretty good. Oh yes. It's a healthy little snook. Like he goes. Oh boy, okay. I just hooked another big fish. This one actually, yeah, this one might be a bit bigger. This is on the heavier setup too. And he is freaking pulling me around. Oh boy. I threw this up there. First cast. I don't know how big this fish is. I don't know if this is another sloth that's just fighting hard or if he's bigger. Jesus. I haven't even seen him yet. He's a bit bigger, I think. First cast. Woo! Shit. Some good fish over here right now. I gotta say, I did not expect it. Felt like 2 slots. Yeah, this guy's a bit bigger. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Oh yeah. Well, the other ones weren't slots. This guy definitely is. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go again. Oh. Yeah, there's not really a whole lot of areas over here for me to plant fish. At least the bigger ones I can. Oh. Look at them just hanging out there. Oh yeah. Jeez, man. This spot's popping off. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that fish. Should have just kept recording. Alright, well. Before we get some pictures of this one, then let her go. Okay. Moved over a bit. This area's a little bit better right here to revive this fish. Yeah, that's an upper slot, I'd say. Man, this spot is just popping off a bit right now. Going crazy. Look at that. Gorgeous fish. We're gonna keep her here, revive her for a bit. The shoulders on her. This is an area where alligators like to hang out too, so I do have to be careful. Moving around a little bit. I fought her pretty good. Yeah, I should have just kept recording the whole time. She friggin' absolutely demolished that swim bait. I'll hold her down a little bit more. There we go. See if we can turn her around quickly. Trying. Yeah, she's going. She's trying to go a little bit. Give her a little more shakes. Get all that lactic acid out of here. All right, there we go. Oh man.